What if? Not tomorrow. Not someday. Not in the distant future. What if right now, the ground beneath your feet simply stopped existing? No explosion. No warning. No sound. One moment, Earth is here. The next, it is gone. Not forever. Just 1 second. It sounds unreal. Impossible. Almost childish. But this question matters. Because it reveals a truth. We are never taught. We survive not because we are strong, but because everything around us works perfectly. Every single second. 1 second feels harmless. A blink. A heartbeat. A breath. So it is easy to think nothing important could happen. But the universe does not think in feelings. It thinks in motion, in forces, in laws that never pause. Gravity does not rest. Motion does not stop. Earth never stands still. Remove Earth for 1 second, and the universe does not wait. It reacts. This is not a story, not science fiction, not a movie scene. This is a physics question, a cold one, an honest one. What would really happen if Earth disappeared for 1 second and then returned? To answer that, we must slow down, because the most terrifying events do not happen loudly. They happen precisely. The moment Earth disappears, gravity disappears with it. Not slowly, not gradually, instantly. Gravity is invisible, but it is always pulling. When it vanishes, everything it was holding is released. Cities, mountains, oceans. Earth does not explode. It simply lets go. Imagine standing outside. One moment, the ground feels solid. The next, it no longer exists. You do not fall. You are not pulled upward. You begin to move sideways. Silently, smoothly, at the exact speed. Earth was already moving. You are not flying. You are continuing. Earth is never still. Right now, it travels around the sun at about 30 kilometers per second. You do not feel it, because everything moves together. But when Earth disappears, you keep that speed. The planet is gone. Momentum remains. Space does not forgive motion. Earth's air exists only because gravity holds it. When gravity disappears, the air has no reason to stay. Oxygen, nitrogen, clouds, they do not explode. They do not burn. They drift. The sky does not collapse. The sky leaves. Life begins to disappear before anyone understands why. Gravity is not mysterious. It is mass pulling mass. Earth is massive. That is why it holds oceans. That is why it holds air. That is why it holds us. When Earth vanishes, that pull vanishes too. There is no echo, no delay. Gravity is either present or it is not. The oceans are heavy, unimaginably heavy. They stay because Earth holds them. When Earth lets go, the oceans do not splash. They do not rise. They slide. Entire seas begin drifting sideways, carrying their motion into space. Water does not panic. It simply obeys physics. Humans cannot survive this. Not because of speed, not because of space, but because of air. In less than 1 second, the air around your body is already moving away. Your lungs cannot keep up. You cannot scream. Sound needs air. There is no noise, only motion. This is not happening to a city or a country. It is happening everywhere. Every person, every animal, every plane, every ship, no exceptions. Physics does not recognize borders. But there is one detail that saves the planet. This lasts only 1 second. 1 second longer, and Earth would never recover. 1 second longer, and humanity would end. That single second is the difference between survival and extinction. Then, without warning, Earth returns. Not slowly, not gently, instantly. The planet snaps back into existence, where it should be. But the universe has already moved on. Everything is now out of place. The atmosphere returns first. Air rushes back at extreme speeds, driven by pressure and gravity. Shock waves race across the planet, winds faster than any storm humanity has ever experienced. Oceans fall back into basins, not like waves, like walls. Earth survives. Life pays the price. After the chaos, the sky looks normal, blue, familiar, but the calm is a lie. Pressure is uneven. Air is unstable. Some places struggle to breathe. Others are crushed by wind. The sky survived. Balance did not. Air always moves, from high pressure to low pressure. Now the imbalance is extreme. Winds race across continents. They do not stop. They do not weaken. The planet exhales violently. Some life survives, not because it was strong, because it was hidden. Deep valleys, underground spaces, the deep ocean. Survival becomes random, unequal. The oceans remember heat. When they shifted, warm and cold water mixed violently. Currents break. Climate breaks with them. Seasons lose meaning. The planet begins to change its rules. The disaster did not end. When Earth came back, that was only the beginning. Earth is alive, but it is injured, and injured planets heal on geological time. From Earth, this felt like everything. From space, it barely registered. No explosion, no signal, just a planet missing briefly, then returning. The universe felt nothing. During that second, Earth continued its motion. When it returned, the alignment was not perfect. The shift is tiny, but space never forgets motion. Humans may not notice, but instruments do. Satellites, telescopes, equations. In space, small changes grow. If someone watched from far away, they would not see disaster. They would see a mistake, a brief violation of order, then silence. From a distance, Earth looks calm again. From the surface, life struggles. Both are true. The universe measures motion. Only life measures meaning. Physics begins to repair the damage. Gravity pulls. Air settles. Water flows downward again. Not quickly, not kindly, but consistently. Most people never notice. Clocks never stopped. Only machines saw it. Numbers shifted. Reality left fingerprints. Scientists compare records. The same error appears everywhere. Not minutes, not hours. Exactly 1 second. Missing. Fear spreads slowly. Questions rise faster than answers. Can it happen again? Were we close? Are we safe? Science offers no comfort. Only honesty. Earth survived. But survival is not safety. The question changes. Not what happened, but what could happen next. Earth has survived worse. Asteroids, ice ages, volcanoes. This wound is different. It came from absence. Earth may recover. Life may not return the same. Climate shifts. Rain moves. Dry lands flood. Green lands fade. Earth adapts. Humans must adapt with it. Some species cannot. Extinction arrives quietly. No warning. One loss at a time. Future humans may study this moment, not as apocalypse, but as anomaly. They may call it the missing second. 1 second did not destroy Earth, but it revealed something fragile. Order exists, until it doesn't. Movies show fire and explosions. Reality shows silence. Earth would not scream. It would simply let go. Space is dangerous, not because it is violent, but because it does not warn you. Science does not choose drama. It follows equations. And the equations say, life is delicate. The universe did not care. It did not pause. The laws continued, as they always do. So we asked the hardest question. This was imaginary, but was it impossible? Science answers carefully. Matter does not vanish. Energy does not vanish. For Earth to disappear, everything would need to go somewhere. Almost impossible, but not unthinkable. There are theories, unproven, untested. They remind us of one thing. We do not know everything. Earth does not protect us by choice. It protects us by balance. Remove that balance, and life collapses instantly. We feel powerful, but all our power exists only because Earth allows it. 1 second revealed the truth. We do not own this planet. We depend on it. Earth continues. The sun rises. Most never knew anything happened. But reality remembers. The greatest dangers arrive quietly. Between moments. Between seconds. This was never about disappearance. It was about precision. How perfectly everything must work. Earth offers no promises. Only the present moment. Every second is borrowed. If losing Earth for 1 second almost ended everything, what are we risking by slowly damaging it? Every single day?